Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anointed Lady TV, the home of news and politics. If it is your first time in this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you like what we do on this channel, hit on the subscribe button. Also put on the notification bell so you'll be notified by YouTube anytime we drop a new video. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you very much for always coming back to watch our videos. On this platform, we drop videos every day and we react to every video that come our way. And on this very video, I will be watching with you. And after watching, let's go to the comment section and drop our opinion constructively. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. See you next time in my next.
Hello, my wonderful people. This is a breaking news for all obedient and for the entire Labour Party members. It is now almost very obvious that Labour Party will have 2 governors in the Nigeria of today. This is a very big celebration for the entire obedient. Stay tuned and continue to listen to the rest of the news. And don't forget to share this video at the end of it all to inform all Nigerians what is trending. Many of you are not aware that Petition Election Tribunal for governorship election in Enugu State is holding today in Abuja. That is to say that the Labour Party candidate, Christian Edoga, is contesting the declaration of Peter Mba, the PDP candidate, the governor-elect, over an election that was almost very clear that Christian Edoga won that election. While that contestation is going on in the court, there is a very interesting news that just came my way this afternoon. The Director General of NYSC, Brigadier General Ahmed, has come out on national television to bear witness that the supposed NYSC certificate that was tendered by the PDP governorship candidate who was declared the governor-elect in Enugu State is unverified, is not from NYSC. The Director General went further to lament that political rascality in this nation must stop. He went further to dictate that categorically he told the governors-elect that your certificate was not issued by our commission, by NYSC. That is to say that Christian Mba has tendered a forged NYSC certificate to the INEC prior to the election. This is the high level of political rascality and high level of cheating and high level of corruption we see in this nation. I'm very glad. I commend the Director General of NYSC for coming out clean to be a witness that the certificate tendered by the PDP candidate prior to the election was not issued by NYSC. And I enjoy everywhere in Nigeria to learn, to borrow a lead from the Director General of NYSC. The moment we continue to condemn what is evil in this nation and bear witness as to what is good, this nation can only move forward. But if we don't continue to support impunity and continue to cover trails of crimes, this country may crumble before our very eyes. Listen to the rest of the news and continue to share it, because it is now obvious that Labour Party will reclaim their mandate in Enugu State, and eventually Labour Party will have the second governor in this dispensation coming from Enugu State. So congratulations to all Labour Party. Congratulations to all obedience. As you see this video, continue to share it. God bless you.
My brothers, you know this case is in court. I may not want to say much, but let me draw your attention. The issue of racketeering in every facet of life is happening in this country. Not only in Nigeria, everywhere you go. So it's not only NYSC. And let me tell you, the issue of the certificate you are talking about, I don't want to talk much about it. They came to NYSC for verification. We said this certificate is not issued from us. I wonder why issue of racketeering will come up when you are talking about elite, somebody who is a graduate, somebody who is well enlightened. You obtain certificate from where? You don't know where you obtain certificate. You don't know how we issue our certificate. So you have problem with certificate. How? You can't go and collect certificate on the street. You can't go and collect certificate in your room. You don't go and collect certificate in the hotel. You should know better. Please, I don't want to talk much about this. The governor-elect is a lawyer. I am not a lawyer, but I know as a DG NYC, I'm fully aware of this case. He came to me. I told him, I called my director of certification, let me see your certificate. I was so frank and clear to him that this certificate is not from us. I'll show him some few examples just to help him. But he chose to go to court and even to sue whoever is suing. Well, as far as I'm concerned, NYC has not been sued. I'm yet to see any from court. I have not seen anything. All you are saying or what all people are saying, I'm just hearing from outside. I have not received any court order. I have not seen anything. But I bet you we don't tolerate anything certificate racketeering. If it is from any of our staff, we caught you, we hand you over to the law.
Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all. Ladies and gentlemen, good day, my brothers and sisters, my mummies and my daddies over there. Is your sister again, your doctor, your friend, your girl, Anointed Lady TV. Please, if today is your first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please do subscribe for me. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video, you will be notified. So in this my channel, I will be bringing up many things to you in which you will benefit from it. I do talk show, I do news, anything you want to talk about, I am into it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So each time I upload any video or each time I'm on live on YouTube, you will be notified. Thank you very much for always being there for me. Please do subscribe for me, and as you do so, God will richly bless you and meet your heart desire. Thank you very much. I love you all.